So Ringo today showing in one-on-ones, 7-on-7s that like he is going to take that step in year 3. And Vic Fangio said it the other day, like this kid just needs reps. Again, it's 1 day of mandatory OTAs, but being an Eagles cornerback in practice is no small feat. Like he has to go up against 2 of the best wide receivers in football every single day, and A.J. Brown and Devontae Smith. And to hear that Ringo is winning some one-on-one battles with A.J. Brown, who PFF said the other day is the number 1 ranked wide receiver in all of football, like that's a really good start to the summer for Ringo.